Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a color spotlight and a wig review of the Natalie wig by Jon Renau in the color 131T S4, also known as Shaded Berry. Now, before I put this on my head, I have it off my head for a really specific reason, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about it before I put the wig on. So, just bear with me for a moment. So, we had a lady who bought this exact wig in this exact color, and she was kind of miffed, we could say, that when she got it, she was like, this doesn't look like a berry color at all. To which we had to answer, you know, after you buy it, there's not a whole lot we can do about that, but if you ask us questions beforehand, we can tell you straight up that this, you know, we don't have any control over the name. You know, Jon Renau named this color, but it definitely is not berry colored. And we can tell you these things. You just have to contact us before you order. We're very happy to let you know. And the reason why I'm sharing the story, even though, you know, it doesn't necessarily paint us in the most amazing light ever, is that proactively, you know, I do try to do things to help prevent these situations from recurring. I would much rather, you know, just sort of like nip it in the bud in a public way so everybody can see what's going on, as opposed to just helping people one at a time. That's why I built the help desk in my community. So that way, you know, especially with the community features and the things that we do on Instagram and other social media platforms now, we're really trying to be very proactive about helping people see what the hair looks like, either through pictures we take or videos I make or, you know, stuff our customers submit. I'm always trying to do things to help people find what they're looking for. And unfortunately, in this particular customer's case, this was not the color she was looking for. So let me help you figure out what this color looks like, so that way when you order it, you're ordering it because you like it. Let me go ahead and put this on, and then we'll talk about it a little bit. I'm going to shake Natalie up. I already shook her a little bit, as you probably saw there. I actually think this is a really pretty color, but it's definitely not like a blue-based red. So if you're looking for a burgundy or something like that, this is definitely not going to give you that. And in fact, there aren't any colors from the Jon Renau line that are really like that, except maybe their chocolate cherry has that violet in it, but even that I wouldn't consider anything close to a burgundy. But as you can see here, okay, this is a 131. Okay, so that's that red color here. And the 131 is a really pretty sort of dark auburn color. It's a little bit more copper, a little bit more intense than a regular dark auburn might be. It's kind of like in between a dark and a medium. And then the color underneath is a 4, which is a dark brown. And then the root is just more of that dark brown. So it's not like a contrast root or anything like that. Natalie is a darling cut, very easy to wear. Let me go ahead and do a little 360 so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. This is a wonderful little shake and go. Now, I have reviewed this wig previously, so feel free to go to our website to view the original review of this in a blonde color. Natalie is available in petite and average cap sizes. This is the average cap version, and I find it quite comfortable on me. This is only a 2-ounce wig, so it's very lightweight on. It's part of Jon Renau's Oh So Light collection, so yeah, that makes sense. The bangs down are 5.25 inches, and they're definitely made to be swept off to the side. The crown down is also 5.25 inches. It's heavily layered throughout the top. The sides vary in length because this is asymmetrically cut, so it goes anywhere from 3.5 to 6 inches. 6 inches mainly here in the front, and then the nape is 2.5 inches, so it's quite short in the back, but it does give good coverage. You know, my bio hair right now is being particularly rascally just because I'm trying to grow it out, and I feel like this one gives me more than enough coverage to get it all tucked up under there because it's kind of a weird length right now. It is longer on this side of Natalie. This is the right side than it is on the left side of the wig. It is an asymmetrical cut. And she is permateased here on the top. So that's it for this review of Natalie by Jon Renau in the color 131T4 S4, otherwise known as Shaded Berry. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.